Hi, and welcome to our 26th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ, and I am from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting software, and so much more. So let's begin. The item that we're going to look at today is from the toolbar, and it is about the font color. So let's take a look. I have a spreadsheet that I made for you so that you can see just a sample. I like this program so much because you can be creative. You can do exactly what you want to do. Okay, now font color. Let's take a look at first quarter expenses. If we were to click in that cell, okay, and then we go up to font, this is where we find all of the font tools. If we go to this paint can, it says fill color. Color the background of cells to make them stand out, okay? And what we want to do at this time is the font. So this one is font color, which says change the color of your text. Now since we clicked on column A, line 7, where it says first quarter expenses, as I look at this chart and I go over the different items, see first quarter expenses is changing color. You can make this any color that you wish, okay? But I just want to caution you, if you have fill color in the background, you kind of want to watch and see what color you're going to do your font, because you want to make sure that it's clear and crisp. The thing is, it might look fine on the computer screen, however, when it prints out in color, it's got to be clear enough. I mean, if you use like a beige or a yellow on a blue background, it's not going to show. You have to use the opposite of the color wheel. Like you could use the blue, see how the blue looks in relationship to the black. You could do blue, okay, so that would be fine. Personally, I like things dark, okay? I think they look good standing out, but it's totally up to you. You can change that font color however you wish. Then, as I have said in prior podcasts, make sure you hit Control Save to save any of the changes to your work. If there is a power failure of any type, whatever it might be, transformer down, etc., the thing is, your work is only good since your last save. Okay, so if you work 6 hours on a project and you never saved it, and there is a power outage, you will lose all of your work. Okay, so Control Save, Control S is a very, very important thing to do. Okay, and that is all about font color. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There's many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about Excel. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.